Thank you for joining me today. My name is Bodo and this is Bodo Thai. You're walking around Thailand. You're looking at the map, a Google map, or whatever you have in your hand, and you ended up lost. So this video, I'm gonna give you several phrases that you can use to save your butt. Let's go. Here's some easy Thai phrases that you can remember, or better yet, mark the video so you can rewatch it and practice it and write it down till you're good at it, because you're gonna be using this a lot. Okay? And trust me, if you don't mark this video or save it for watch later, you're not gonna be able to find it again, because I'm a small channel. You know, I might just disappear forever out of your life. Poof, gone. Okay? First, easiest thing to say is I am lost. How to say I am lost in Thai. I put a word right here. You can just, read along or practice it or whatnot. You just, you know the drill, right? I am lost in Thai. ฉันหลงทาง 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 Okay? Pause it, go back, and practice. All right? It will save your life. I'm gonna keep going because I have several phrases that you're gonna be needing to learn. Okay? Next, how to say I don't know where to go. ฉันไม่รู้ว่าต้องไปที่ไหน It's long phrases, but you'll get it. ฉันไม่รู้ว่าต้องไปที่ไหน ฉันไม่รู้ว่าต้องไปที่ไหน So, once you get good at it, here's how it's supposed to sound. ฉันไม่รู้ว่าต้องไปที่ไหน Okay? That means I don't know where to go. Let's move right along. Next, I don't know where I am. ฉันไม่รู้ว่าอยู่ที่ไหน 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 That means I don't know why I am. It's 3 in the morning. You're asking a monk. So what it means is that, ฉันไม่รู้ว่า it means I don't know. อยู่ที่ไหน means where I am. I don't know where I am. Anyway, next, how to say I need to go to ... a place, a massage parlor, whatever you want to go to, right? ฉันต้องการไปที่ whatever place at the end. Just say you want to go to a shopping mall called the Central. I'll use that as an example. You say ฉันต้องการไปที่ the Central. They might not use the word central. They might use sentan. Okay, that was just an example. Now, well, just say you want to go to, the ancient ruin called Wat Arun, right? Okay, the place called Wat Arun, okay? And you want to go to Wat Arun, okay? You say ฉันต้องการไปที่ Wat Arun, or shopping, or massage parlor, or the bar, right? Next, you've been walking all day and you can't find where the heck you are, and you just give up. You just want to go back to the hotel. This phrase is going to help you. How to say I need to go back to the hotel. ฉัน ต้องการกลับโรงแรมฉันต้องการกลับโรงแรมฉันต้องการกลับโรงแรม It means the word ฉันต้องการ means I need to กลับ means go to or go back to โรงแรม is the hotel. That's your sanctuary. That's your safe place. Okay? You can always start fresh from there. Alright? So, once again, ฉันต้องการกลับโรงแรม You might have to tell them where your hotel is. You can't just say,ต้องการ you just want to say, I want to go back to a hotel, but they have no idea what your hotel you're staying at. They can't help you. So please put the name of the hotel at the end of the sentence. For instance, ฉันต้องการกลับโรงแรม Marriott or whatever do you stay. Next one. How to say, do you know this place? You're gonna need that. Do you know this place? You walking around with a brochure in your hand. You know that you have this 60% off a massage discount, and you want to use it because you're cheap. And I'm cheap. I would use it. So there's the name of the massage place there, or the restaurant, or the bar, because you want cheap food, or you want to go shopping somewhere, just like the Saturday market or the Sunday market, right? You say, you know this place? คุณรู้จักที่นี่ไหมคุณรู้จักที่นี่ไหมคุณรู้จักที่นี่ไหม So what it means is that คุณรู้จัก means that do you know ที่นี่ means this here this place ไหม mean do you know it or you don't คุณรู้จักที่นี่ไหม In a regular speed it will be คุณรู้จักที่นี่ไหม Show them the map. Show them the coupon. Show them the brochure that you have. Show them how cheap you are. I want this 80% off coupon. Oh, where am I going to get it? คุณรู้จักที่นี่ไหม Next, how to say, where should I go? If they tell you there's a Thai restaurant over there you should try. Okay? That's where you pay the most. How to say, what should I go in Thai? ต้องไปที่ไหนต้องไปที่ไหนต้องไปที่ไหน You've been walking around all day and you get all achy, right? Or you get achy, and you go to concierge and you say, I need a massage. ต้องไปที่ไหน So it's like, it means, where should I go? Where is it? They'll tell you. ต้องไปที่ไหน Okay? Next, you're walking around in a circle for about 5 hours. You start going crazy. You start taking off your pants and put it on your head. And you start singing like Scooby-Doo in your head, right? And you don't know what to do because you've been walking around for so long, in circle, in one place or whatever, right? You're lost, okay? People are watching you and you don't know what to say. You know why you don't know what to say? Because you never watched this video. But thankfully, you watched this video, so I'm going to tell you how to say it. I'm going to tell you how to say, I've been walking around lost for a while now. ฉัน เดินหลงมานานแล้วฉันเดินหลงมานานแล้ว slower ฉันเดินหลงมานานแล้ว ฉันเดิน which means I've been walking หลง means lost มานานแล้ว means for a long while now I've been walking around lost for a while now ฉันเดินหลงมานานแล้ว Memorize all these phrases, write them down, practice it. People might, look at you, making fun of you, because you're going to have a long flight to Thailand. You're probably going to be on a plane for about 20 hours. Okay? Practice all this sentence. People might laugh at you, but who cares? Let them be lost. You, the only one, can find a way, and people will help you out. Please mark this video as your favorite. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so, because I have many more tips and tricks on how to survive in Thailand and have a great time in Thailand. So this is one of them that you need to know if you're lost, because, I hope that you don't. But for me, I'm lost all the time. Even at home, I don't know where's the bathroom at. You know what I lost? Even me. I lost my mind. I couldn't find them. Anyway, all these phrases, all these sentences, write them down. Rewatch these videos seriously multiple times, because you want to get the accent right. You want to say the wording right. They'll save you a lot of times, so you don't have to go back to the hotel and have a fight with your family. Even though you didn't go to the massage parlor, your wife might say that you have been there. But you haven't, because you've been lost in the lobby for the past 5 hours. You couldn't leave the hotel because you're that smart. Anyway, yeah. So practice this sentence. And if you like this kind of content, my name is Bodo. And this is right here is Bodo Thai. I will see you next time. Peace.